Hello guys, today I've got the Motorola Moto G67 and I'm going to show you how to set up the fingerprint unlock on your Motorola. So at first open the settings. Now scroll down till you see here the security and privacy tab. Here. Now you need to here tap device unlock. Select here face and fingerprint unlock. Confirm your pattern here, and now here select fingerprint. Now here, as you can see, we've got unlock with your fingerprint. Tap setup, and here, as you can see, we've got here the sensor. Hold the finger on it, and now touch and lift your finger. You need to scan different parts of it. And we need to finish this whole square. And now it's done. That's how to set up it. And if we want to use it, just you need to press your fingerprint sensor over here. Goodbye.